Good morning students. Today I am going to take up lesson number 8, soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's surface. It consists of sand, mud and rock particles. It also contains minerals, layers of dead and decayed plants and animal remains called humus. Soil formation is a slow stepwise process and takes thousands of years to form even a thin layer of soil through a process called weathering. Weathering is the breakdown of rocks on the earth's surface caused by exposure to natural forces such as wind, water, frost, roots of plants, etc. Weathering is of two types, that is physical and chemical. Physical weathering. Here the rocks are broken down to form smaller pieces. It is a mechanical process and does not involve any change in the characteristics of the original rocks. It is caused by temperature differences, frost, growing roots of plants, etc. Chemical weathering. In this process, the existing minerals are broken down into new mineral components and the chemical nature of the rock changes. Water is the main agent. The process of weathering can be divided into 3 stages. Stage 1. Large pieces of parent rocks near the surfaces are broken into smaller ones. Stage 2. Smaller rocks continue to break down and a very fine layer of rock particles is formed at the surface of the earth. Bacteria and microorganisms break down plant and animal remains to add humus to it. It makes the soil fertile. Stage 3. Minerals and salts seep deeper into the ground along with water to complete the formation of soil and make it favorable for plant growth. Factors affecting soil formation. The factors affecting soil formation are climate, characteristics of the parent rock and slope of land. Climate. Climatic factors or agents of weathering such as temperature, rain and wind play an important role in loosening and breaking up of rocks. Characteristics of parent rock. The composition of the parent rock also determines the kind of soil formed. Example, if the parent rock is rich in calcium, the soil formed also will be rich in calcium. Slope of land. The physical features of a place play an important role in the formation of soil. Hilly areas usually have a thin layer of soil due to running water, wind, etc. Flat plains usually remains undisturbed, leading to the formation of a thick layer. Soil profile. A vertical section of soil from the ground surface to the parent rock that shows the different layers of soil or the horizons is called soil profile. They are number 1, A horizon or topsoil, 2, B horizon or subsoil, 3, C horizon, 4, R horizon or bedrock. The main constituents of soil are water, sand, clay, silt, pebbles and humus. Types of soil. The difference in particles size of the various soil constituents give rise to a property called texture. To identify the type of the soil, take some soil in hand, wet it and roll between your fingers. If it is gritty and pale brown, then it is sandy. If it makes a shiny, smooth coating on your fingers and is grayish brown, then it is clay. If it is flaky and dark, it is loamy. Properties of soil. The properties of soil are absorption of water in soil, moisture in soil, percolation rate of water in soil. Soil erosion. The removal of soil by running water and wind is called soil erosion. The major causes are deforestation, overgrazing, floods and heavy rainfall and improper farming. It can be prevented by planting large number of trees. Overgrazing should be avoided, floods should be controlled and in hilly areas, terrace farming should be adopted. Soil pollution. Soil is the most valuable natural resources on earth, but it is being polluted due to careless human activities. The major sources of soil pollution are: number 1, acid rain, acid water from factories, mines and industries. Number 2, improper dumping of garbage and sewage water into the soil. Number 3, excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Number 4, waste materials such as plastic and metals. Number 5, spilling or leakage of chemicals. Some steps to control soil pollution are: number 1, solid waste should not be dumped on soil. Number 2, animal and domestic waste should be used to produce biogas. Number 3, instead of using chemical fertilizers and pesticides, organic fertilizers and pesticides should be used. Number 4, waste from factories and mines should be properly treated before they are being released. Thank you.